Lemon chili chicken. Since we are the chili masters, we are the flavor masters actually. Bake lemon chili chicken in 2 hours. Use the chicken without the skin. Okay, if you want to follow my recipe, just listen to me. No skin, whole chicken. First thing first, make some deep cuts, like beautiful looking cuts on your chicken breast, on your chicken legs. That's how we will make this delicious lemon chili chicken, my friend. Deep cuts to the breast. Look at this. Does it look good? Yes, sir. We are making this whole chicken. Very easy, delicious recipe. It's a spicy recipe, okay? If you're not into spicy food, my friend, honestly, skip this video. Beautiful cuts are done, right? On this whole chicken. Look at these cuts. This is what I'm asking you to do it on your chicken. If you just want to make chicken breast boneless, you can make this recipe, but the option is to oven bake this recipe. Fresh pair of gloves. This is our baking sheet. We will take a big piece of foil, just like that, and we'll put it right here. So have a juicer blender right here. We will have our main ingredient, red chilies. You see the small, the round red chili, the dried ones? This is the powder out of it. Some fresh lemon, some sea salt, and of course some fresh peeled garlic. A handful of garlic goes right here. 1.7 to 6 ounces of garlic. We will add this in our blender juicer. We will take 2 big lemons and we will squeeze this right here. We don't need the seeds, we just need the lemon fresh juice, just like that. Quarter bulb of onion, fresh onion. We'll just make small pieces out of it. There you go. Take 1 whole tablespoon of sea salt. Red chili powder, right? This is the lemon chili chicken. So here it is. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I know it looks more in the video, but we are working with the flavor. We will take some olive oil or baking oil or vegetable oil or canola oil, whatever you prefer. Use olive oil, half baking cup. This measurement is half of the baking cup. It goes right here. Recipe all the way from the scratch. Okay, let's blend all this mixture right here. Our beautiful smoothie marinade is ready. Our chicken is being prepared, ready to be marinated, foil and the baking sheet. Let's grab this. Let's hold our chicken, land it right here. Wipe out your hands once you touch the raw meat, or if you want to change the gloves, it's all up to you. If you're making it for other people, definitely do that. Take your smoothie. Look at this, the bomb, and just add half cup for now, right on top. Okay, we have a foil. Other half, just land it right here. Just put it right here. Oh my God, it's gonna be a messy job. Just mix everything, massage everything into deep cuts. You see, we made the deep cuts. Make sure it gets in there. OMG. This is the lemon chili chicken, my friend. Trust me, this is the oven bake recipe. You see this? How beautiful it looks? Let me show you. Don't stick. Don't stick. People are watching me. Stop sticking. Half of the marinade right here. It went into all to the deep cuts. The first layer, the marinade first layer is right here. My dishwasher has to do a lot of job today. I know that. This is the marinade. How thick of the smoothie it is. Add it here, and again this will be a second layer on top. This will be a thicker, and go all the way deep into the chest cavity and the neck cavity, the leg deep cuts, you know, all the way. And it's just like that. So this is how it's gonna look. Look at this lemon chili chicken. The smell is spicy. Let's get rid of these gloves as well. Go over here. Wonderful. Let's cover this chicken whole, just like that, okay? This is just the first cover. You will take another big piece of a foil, like that, and put it on top. So we have created a foil wrap top. Put the whole chicken right here and cover it up. So easy work, man. Look at this. Whole chicken, lemon chili chicken for your oven is ready. Can you bake this at least for 2 hours, 375 degrees? Put it on, put it just like this on your baking sheet. Grab it, follow me. This is your oven, 375 right there. And put it just like this right here. And whatever you want to do it for 2 hours. I'll see you guys after 2 hours now. Is exactly after 2 hours. It's steaming hot. Let it rest at least for 5 minutes. Take a look in here. My God, it smells yummy. It has cooked itself in the steam. Oh. And look at this beauty. Yes, sir, it's completely done. If you want to check the temperature, let me show you the temperature. So the temperature right here, it should reach above 165. Yes, it's going up there. Yeah, it's getting there. Just remember, I have opened it up, right? So it was just steam cooking all the way deep in. You see this? It's 165. So let's pick this guy up, land this right here. This is baby spinach. Let's put it right here on top of this. All right. So here you go. You want to serve it with some more fresh lemon right next to it. And so these are the chilies I was talking about. These are the chilies. Right there. Perfect, delicious lemon chili chicken is ready. Take a first bite right here for you guys. So it's eatable, it's delicious, it's wonderful. You're gonna love it. Make this recipe, Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, let me enjoy this. It's moist.